Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to install Cydia on the Palera1n Jailbreak, and this method applies both to iOS 16 and iOS 15. The method shown in this video is completely free. So along the way, we will also fix any error that we experience with the installation and usage of Cydia. Now guys, let's discuss the problem that you may be getting while you install Cydia on the Palera1n Jailbreak, and then we will come to the solution. So for example, you try to install Cydia, you will get this error, depends lib zstd1, despite this library is installed. And when you manually try to install it, the zstd, you then get this error and you cannot install Cydia. This happens when you jailbreak your device rootful with the latest version of Palera1n. Yes, I tested it with beta 7 and beta 6. Both are having this problem. So the solution is very simple. You will have to jailbreak your device rootful using my Palnix custom. As you can see it right here, it is an ISO file that you can flash to your USB using Rufus. You will find it in the pinned comment or the description. Also, you'll find a complete guide on how to use it along with this. So we will use an older version of the Palera1n Jailbreak, which works on iOS 16.6 or higher even, to jailbreak and install Cydia without any error. And now back to iOS 16.6 and Cydia installation. So as you can see, I am already jailbroken rootful. This will not work on rootless, so get jailbroken on rootful. As you can see, it is the old loader, so this means I am using the older version of the Palera1n Jailbreak. So now simply install Sileo and simply open it. Then go to packages, and then first of all upgrade all. If you see this error message, don't worry, simply scroll down until you find this package, open it and simply upgrade it manually first. Once done, hit done. Now go to packages and then upgrade all, and then wait for all the packages to be upgraded. Alright, so once done, hit done. Now we are good to go. Now go to sources, tap the plus icon above and type a source apt.net cirkl64.com. Alright, then hit add source and then refresh. Alright, so you'll find this repo, open it, go to all categories. Now here, simply search for Cydia Installer, alright, and then hit get. And now you will see queued 5 packages, and you can see we don't have any error now because we are using an older version of the Palera1n Jailbreak. Now confirm and wait for the installation to complete. Alright, now simply restart Springboard, and when you are back, you will find Cydia on your home screen. Open it. First of all, I want to show you the version iOS 16.6 iPhone 8 Plus. You can see sources, we don't have any problems here. We have changes that we will upgrade in a second. Installed packages are being shown, so let's upgrade to show you that everything works. Confirm, and we'll wait for the upgradation process to complete. Alright, as you can see, the packages are being installed now and we don't have any problem. Alright, so return to Cydia, and if you return to Cydia, don't worry, you won't see any option. Now you can simply quit it and then reopen it, and you can see we don't have any problems. Let me refresh it to show you. Alright, so we have changes properly populated, installed, sources, everything works, and you can see the version here again. Alright, now let's install something like cylinder ribbon, alright, to show you that you can install your packages easily. So we will wait for the installation to complete. So always allow and restart Springboard. So the restart Springboard button may not work for you, so back and simply close it. Now open the Palera1n loader and respring from here. Alright, so now when you are back after a respring, you can see that cylinder ribbon is working correctly, and you can also see it in the settings. Alright, so no problems whatsoever, and you can see Cydia is working properly. We don't have any problems. So you can see the sources are being refreshed, and if you see the install, you can see Cydia ribbon right here. So no problems here also. Now lastly, one more thing, that when substitute is installed and you try to install a tweak from Cydia, like for example this one, and this one is also completely free, you will get this close button up above when you install something, so that you don't have to close Cydia from the switcher and open it again. So as you can see, now it works normally without any errors and without any problems whatsoever. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have problems and if you want to ask something, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.